the hottest issues are West Philippine Sea, Ayuda, and what's the other one?
COVID.
Itong COVID. Oh, well. Yung West Philippine Sea, alam mo, ang totoo niyan, pabalik-balik tayo. Ako gusto ko, tinanong ko nga si Secretary Lorenzana, na pwede ba tayong pumunta doon, papasok tayo sa mga Spratly Island yun, ng barko natin. Of course, it should be a Coast Guard. We do not send gray ships to warship na para ipakita lang natin sa top Pilipino na baski ng ilang balik natin doon, wala talagang mangyari because we are not in the possession of the sea. Sa kanila eh.
Mr. President, wala namang balakid yung ating pagpunta doon. Kahit nga yung Navy ships natin, panay ang punta sa Pag-asa Island at magpatrolya doon. Yung ating mga Coast Guard ships, wala din, Mr. President, ang patrolya nila dyan sa mga areas na marami tayong fishermen. And pati na yung Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources na barko, nandyan na rin. Nagpapalit-palit lang sila, Mr. President, dahil limitado yung mga barko natin. But our ships can go there. In fact, regularly, yung ating mga barko dyan sa Palawan ay nagre-resupply sa ating mga islands dyan sa Kalayaan Island Group. So wala pong ano, pati yung ating mga fishermen ay libre naman sila makapangisda na hindi sila ginugulo ng mga Chinese.
Kaya nga, ang China, kung hanggang dyan lang, wag ka lang magulo. You claim that even if you go there and claim, wala rin mangyari kasi kanila talaga para sa isip nila kanila. Even if I go there, I said with Secretary Lorenzana and sail there and ask questions, wala mangyari. Sasagutin ka lang. But, you know, the issue of the West Philippine Sea remains to be a question forever until such time that, you know, we can take it back. Ang akin yan is walang iba, gera lang. If we promote a war against China and America, medyo siguro mamadalian. Pero at what cost to us? Ayan ang problema. Iyan talaga ang problema. But we can retake it only by force. There is no way that we can get back the tawag nilang Philippine Sea without any bloodshed. Yan talaga ang totoo. Baski na anong sabihin ng mga military, may iba dyan, alam ko na na walang ginawa. You know the cost of war. And if we go there and really to find out and to assert jurisdiction, it would be bloody. It will result in a violence that we cannot maybe win. Ang problema nito, we have always, sided with America in so many issues, including this one. Pero kung sabihin mo that America will go to war because of the Philippine Sea, tapos tayo ang mag-umpisa. Ang sa ano doon that alam mo doon sa Mutual Defense Treaty, I don't know if I'm right, only if we are being attacked and assaulted.
Yes.
It is not, does not include a war that is initiated by us.
Yes. Correct.
So, yung
Correct, sir.
alam ko may mga military na may nagre-retire. Ano bang gusto ninyo? Ako, I am ready. Ay, anak ng waiting. If just a matter of going there and looking for trouble and maybe violence, okay sa akin. But I said, at what cost would that be to the country? Wala. Hindi tayo pwedeng pumunta doon magipag-away for the simple reason that particular provision in the RPUS states that only when we are being assaulted or being there in a war not of our own making. So yan ang gusto kong yan. Anong gusto ninyo? Ito naman si Carpio. Daldal ng daldal. Wala namang, ano bang gusto mo? Sige ka punta doon sa, do you think China will obey the United Nations? I'll ask you a question. If the United Nations will ask China to surrender because of that award given to us, ibibigay ba ng China yan? Ano ang problema? Can the United Nations compel China? And do you think China will just give it freely because of the United Nations demand? Yan ang hindi ko maintindihan kay Carpio. He's a dreamer. And besides, yung amo niya, it started the occupation of constructive, how would you call it in the international parlance? The constructive occupation of China happened during the Aquino administration. May isang barko doon, nagpadala tayo. There was a standoff. A standoff, it was maybe going to a violent stage. Alam mo, ang nagpaalis sa atin ang Amerika. Ang usapan, ang Pilipinas mag-retreat, ang China mag-retreat. Ang ginawa ng China, hindi nag-retreat, ang Pilipinas ang nag-retreat. Ang pagador noon si Del Rosario. Yan, tandaan mo yan, Carpio. Sige ka daldal. The constructive occupation was completed. It was a notice to the world na nung hindi sila umalis, tayo ang umalis. Ibig sabihin, amin to, kaya ka umalis. Itong si Carpio, kung anong pinagdadaldal, si dreamer, I'll give you 100 years. You can never get something there, baski isang basong tubig sa China ngayon. Tapos sige kayo intriga sa Pilipino, sige kayo intriga. Sabi ko nga, ano bang gusto ninyo? Sige, tell me what to do, except yung mga papel-papel ninyo. Walang kakwenta na just to create, well, whatever it is. Maraming daldal. Wala ka naman talagang magawa. I said, the constructive occupation of the West Philippine Sea. Kung was completed by the singular act